Okay, so we'll start with this portion, the test portions, after the introduction. Exercise 8.1, question B1. Page 189, go there. Let me read the question for us. Look into your textbook. In a right triangle, right angle at B, like that. So they gave us the right triangle, so let's just draw a right triangle. Means one angle must be in fact 90 degree. So let's read once more. ABC, right angle at B. That means this point 90 degrees should be B. And ABC, so you can put your A here, or here also it's correct, but B must be here. So if you put A, B, C, it will be like that. If you put here A, then C will go there. That's okay, correct. You can do the way you like it. So given is, so we can write down in triangle ABC. Okay, let's just use the same language as the text. Triangle ABC, right angled at B, right angled at the point B. You give us AB is the value of 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And so we have to determine number one, sin A, cos A, all those things. Let's first do this. So AB is 24. If we want to mark, and BC is, this portion of BC is 7 centimeter long, this side. Now, which is the unknown side here? AB known 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. Yes, the unknown is AC. So when we in a right triangle, we don't know one side. We can use Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem. Right along with me, okay? By using Pythagoras theorem or using Pythagoras theorem, the unknown side, which is the AC square. Just now we discussed Pythagoras theorem, will be equal to what? Yes, AB square here, this one, plus this square, plus BC square. Or you can also try write BC square plus AB square also. That's up to you. So let us continue. That implies, now this is equation, left side, right side. So when we're using both sides, we use this sign. This means simply that implies or. That means, next step, like that, okay? That means or. So AC square equal to, AB here value is, yes, 24. So 24 square plus BC, 7 square. So that implies, if I write here SC, square removed means square root will come. If you remove the square, in the next step, no more square, then root. Then we can do this. 24 square means simply 24 into 24, 2 times. Let us multiply. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So here's 6. 9 plus 8, 17, 1 in hand, plus 1, 5. So 24 into 24 is, 24 square is 576. Next is a plus sign. And 7 square means 7 7s are, yes, that's correct, 49. So when we add 576 plus 49 means, we write this 9 and 4, go left, starting from here. If you write like this, it's wrong, okay? You have to start from extreme right and go left. 9 plus 6, 15, 1 in hand, 5. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 in hand. 5 plus 1, 6 in hand, 6. So this is root over 625. Now square root means we can do by squaring method. So let's try 25 into 25. Trial method. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 11, 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 5 to 6. It's going. 25 square is 6 to 5, 25 into 25 2 times. So this is nothing but 25 into 25. We can write like this. So to remove a number from a square root, same number to double will be removed as a single 25. No more root. So SC is 25 centimeter. AB 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. We know all the three sides, so now we can answer your question number 1. Okay, so here let us take, this is important question, sine A cos. Here we have to find sine A comma cos A. Let us take the first one, sine A. Now we have learned in our previous class the sine is always opposite by hypotenuse. That's right. Okay, so angle is what? Read this one. Yes, A. So this angle A, what are the two arms? Yes, AB and AC are the arms. Which one is not the arm of this angle A? Yes, BC. So that will be the opposite side. Don't write, okay? I'll write it for you because you're going to change when you go to C. Opposite. So the opposite side is BC when we are taking angle A. Then the two arms of 90 degree, BA and BC, that's right. Which one is not? Yeah, SC, so that is your hypotenuse. Then the one left unmarked is this AB, is the adjacent side. Okay, so here O is which one? BC or CB. You read like this also, it's correct. BC or CB, the order is up to you. By hypotenuse, this one, AC. Or CL, so you can write. So they'll be equal to how much? That's what they're asking. Okay, so BC here is 7 centimeter. By SC is here. Hypotenuse here, SC, 25. So we write here 25. So it's a ratio. And you see same unit, centimeter, centimeter means this will cancel. So ratio will never have unit. 7 by 25, that's your answer. Not 7 by 25 centimeter. It's a ratio. First answer. Likewise, the second answer. This one, cos A. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. We have memorized this previously. So when we take A, same one, adjacent is this one, C, A, AB. So we write AB, by hypotenuse is this one, here, SC. So we write SC. AB is here, 24 centimeter, by SC is here, as you can see, 25 centimeter. So these two cancel, and we cannot cancel 24 and 25. If we can cancel, we must cancel, okay, before we write the answer. 24 by 25 is the second answer. First answer, second answer. Okay, then second one, number 2. We have to find sine C, comma, go to your textbook, sine angle C, cos C. Notice that the angle has changed here, A, but here C. So this time, first we have taken this one, but this time we're going here now. So what are the two arms of this angle C? All of you? Yes, CB and CA are the arms of this angle C. Which one is not? When we take angle C? Yes, AB is not the arm of angle C. So that AB will now, which was the adjacent side when we took angle A, is no longer adjacent. This will become the opposite. And which are the two arms of 90? BA and BC. So the one which is not the arm, hypotenuse will remain unchanged. The one which is unmarked here, now when we take angle C, BC will become the adjacent. When we took A, it was not like that. It was BC was opposite, which is now adjacent. And AB was adjacent, which is now opposite when we took angle C. This question is put there so we identify opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse very clearly without confusion. Okay, it's a good question. Now here, the first answer, sine C will be same. Ratio will not change, O by H. But the sides will change. When we took C, O is this one here, AB. When we took A, O was BC, but when we took angle C, O is now AB. By H is same, SC. So it will be equal to AB here, 24. So we write here, 24 centimeter divided by SC. Here you can see, 25 centimeter. So these two cancel means our answer will come out just 24 by 25 centimeter. Okay, sin C. Then cos C, the next one. Cos C. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Same formula. Cos is always adjacent by hypotenuse. But when we took C, adjacent is now A here, BC. By hypotenuse is AC. Right, so BC here is 7. So right here, 7 centimeter. By AC is, as you can see, 25 centimeter. So centimeter, centimeter cancel. So 7 by 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the answers. Okay, so here, the question B1 done. Now let's go to B2. I hope you're getting it right. Don't mark this A, O, and all, okay? I'm doing it for explanation. You don't need to mark. Okay, let's go to B2. Page 189. In figure 8.14. So let's draw that figure given in the text. The figure looks something like this. With a 90 degree here. QR is there, and here P. Here 13 centimeter. Here 12 centimeter. And then here, not given. Okay. So let us write down in figure. Okay, 8.14, no need to write there if you don't want. Figure 8.94, we can write down. PQ equal to 12 centimeter. PR, R cells we're writing. Angle Q is the 90 degree point. As you can see here, this is the 90. So which is unknown? Yes, this one, QR. So as we said just a moment ago, in a right triangle, if you know two sides, but one of the side is unknown, we can find that unknown side by using, yes, Pythagoras theorem. So let's use that using Pythagoras theorem. This unknown is what? QR. So QR square will be equal to, what are the two angle sides of this angle 90? Yes, QR and QP, which is not. Yes, PR, that is the hypotenuse. So this PR is hypotenuse. So we don't know a side which is not hypotenuse, which is QR square. So give the Pythagoras equation. Yes, in such a case, we on the right side we write the hypotenuse first, which is here PR square, then put minus, then this one PQ square. We don't write PQ square minus, hypotenuse should not come second, should come first, then minus later. Okay. Then next, that implies QR square, because the PR here is 13 square minus PQ 12, so 12 square. Then we can write here, one more step we can go, QR square equal to, in our class 9, 8 lower classes also, we learned this formula, right? If you remember, you will do well to remember this. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. We have been memorizing the formula, let's use that. So this A, 13 square minus 12 square is like A square minus B square. So we can write it as A is now 13, B is 12. A plus B into A minus B, like this. We're using formula because using formula is easier, okay? If we don't use formula also, we can do directly. 13 square, 169, like that we can go also. And let us use formula because it makes it easier. So QR, if we remove the square, then what happens on the right side? Yes, square root will come. Then 13 plus 12 is 25. 13 minus 12 is 1. So 25 ones are 25, and we know 25 is, yes, 5 5s are 25, so single 5 will come out as the value of QR. So all the three sides are known now. QR, 5 centimeter, this 12 centimeter, and PR, 13 centimeter. So we are ready now to answer what is the question asking. The question is saying, find 10p minus cot R, I think. So we have to find 10p minus cot R, question mark, we have to find 10p minus cot R. So let's start. So we write here 10p minus called R if you like to, and put equal sign here. Now we know tan is opposite by adjacent, that's correct. Then cot is, so we can do, once we are comfortable, we can avoid this step of writing O, A, H and not directly. So we know tan is O by A. So the angle is what? P, yes. So we are going to have to take this. When we take this, don't mark, okay? I'm marking for explanation. The two arms are PR and PQ. The two arms of angle P. The one which is not the arm is QR, so this is the opposite in this case. Then the two arms of 90 degree are QR, QP, so hypotenuse is PR. The one unmarked here is now adjacent. When we take angle P, this is O, this is A, this is H. So O by A means O is this one, QR, by A is here, PQ, minus. Now we know cot is A by O, the opposite. But the angle this time is R, not P. So R is not here, here. So we're going to have to take this. So we remove this one. So when we took this, the two arms of angle R are RP and RQ. The side of this triangle, which is not the arm of angle R, is PQ. So now this PQ becomes the opposite, not adjacent anymore, opposite when we take angle R. And this O will become adjacent. So adjacent by opposite cot R will be adjacent QR by opposite PQ. So we need to write this correctly. Okay, so we can directly go to the sides without using this once we get more comfortable. I'll remove these things because these are not fixed. It will change as we change angle P to R, so don't mark, okay? I'm marking for explanation. Now, once we're through with that, it's quite easy. QR, 5 centimeter, that's correct. By PQ, yes, 12 centimeter. Minus same thing, QR by PQ, QR by PQ. So this is also 5 centimeter by 12 centimeter. So these two cancel. And 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Simple, right? 3 minus 3, how much, all of you? Yes, very simple, 0. So 12, sorry, not 15, sorry. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 also will be 0. No need to solve, right? Just like 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one, B3. B3 will go slow, so we get it clearly. If sine A is 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So they didn't give us triangle. Read once more. If sine A 3 by 4, stop there, okay. A, so the angle is A now. So we need to make the right triangle ourselves, because in this exercise we will need right triangle in every case. So right triangle means one angle is 90. Now see here, the angle, read once more, sine A equal to 3 by 4. Angle is A means this, excluding the 90 degree point, the other two angles here, any point A here or here, up to you. I'll put here, okay. And the rest is up to you. P, Q, like this also you can write, or B, C, up to you, because they did not say the triangle is PQ or ABC, so the choice is up to you. But A is a must, either here or here. We're not supposed to put a 90 degree point. The given angle should be put here or here, any of the two acute angles of the right triangle. Acute means less than 90 degree. So let us define this triangle which we have introduced. So in right triangle ABC, let us assume, let angle B equal to 90 degree, this one, and this angle A we're taking, this one, equal to A, the angle the question is using. So let us write down what is given in the question. Go there and tell me. Yes, sine A is equal to 3 by 4. Read, if sine A is 3 by 4, that is given. So let us write here, what is sine A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, before that, let's find the two arms of 90 A here, AB and AC. The one which is not the arm is BC, so that is the opposite. This is the adjacent, therefore, and this is obviously hypotenuse. By now you can mark in this one. You don't need to, but you can mark to make it easy because only angle A is there. So once you're there, sine A is O by H. So O is BC or CB. H is AC. So you can write directly, avoiding. Previously I was writing O by H is equal to 3 by 4, and then next step BC by AC equal to 3 by 4. You can avoid this step once you become comfortable and go directly here. Okay, I hope you're getting it. 3 by 4. Now once you're through with that, then we will assume here numerator. In a fraction, the upper part is called numerator, lower part is called denominator. So numerator is BC, corresponds to 3 units. So let's assume BC equal to 3, and then SC denominator 4 units. So we have BC 3, this one 3, SC 4, this 3, which is the unknown side, AB, yes. So we can find that out by using, as we have learned already, always using Pythagoras theorem, yes. So the unknown side for SC is 4, BC is 3, so the unknown is AB. So AB square is not a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So in such case, the hypotenuse has to be written first on the right side, and minus the other one, BC square. When we are taking hypotenuse, then it is the other two, AB square plus BC square. But the next two equations are all minus, right? And in such case, hypotenuse should come first. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, next here, that implies AB square will be equal to SC here, 4, yes. 4 square minus BC, 3. So I write you 3 square. So if you remove the square from the AB square, then it will become root here. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Right, so here there will be root over 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 minus 3 plus 1, 7 ones are 7. 7 is not a perfect square, so we cannot remove it. What I mean is 9 is a perfect square because 9 can be squares, 3 3s are 9, so we can remove as 3. But 7 is not a perfect square, so we have to keep it like that and use root 7. So AB is root 7 now. It's root 7, 3 and 4. All the 3 sides of this right triangle are known, so we can solve what the question is asking. Calculate cos, look into your text, cos A tan A. So first, let us calculate the value of cos A. Cos A is adjacent cos by hypotenuse. So adjacent is here, AB, by hypotenuse here, SC. Very simple. So AB is here. Just now we got root 7. AB root 7 by SC value 4. See here, SC 4. So we cannot cancel, so that's your answer. Next one is tan A. Tan A is opposite by adjacent. So opposite A, opposite is here O, BC, adjacent here AB. So BC by AB. Then BC is 3 units, so 3 divided by adjacent is AB here, root 7. So here, root 7. So 3 by root 7, the first one is root 7 by 4. So that's your answer. One more question, let's see whether we can complete. Okay, so here, okay, we can. So B4, let's go to B4. B4. Let me read the question. Given, so 15 cot A equal to A. So again, no triangle given, so we have to draw it ourselves, make it ourselves. 90-degree point. The angle is again A, so we may put here or here, up to you. I want to put it here, so I'm putting here. Okay. So let's write here, introduce this triangle. In right triangle ABC, we have introduced ourselves. Let this is important, 90 degree point, very important to mention. Angle B equal to 90 degree. And we're taking this angle A equal to A. Then given to us, look into your question, given is 15 cot A equal to A, 8. 15 cot A equal to 8. Okay, so let's do that. So next, that implies 15 means 15 into. So I can write here cot A equal to this one 8. And we know that when we shift a factor from left side to the right side, the upper number 15 will go to the denominator. So cot A will become 8 divided by 15. Then we know cot is adjacent by opposite. So let's find out two arms of angle A, AB and AC. The one which is not the arm BC here is the opposite. This is the adjacent, and we know this is the hypotenuse. By now it's easy, so I'm not explaining anymore. So A by O, so A is here, AB, by O is here, BC. AB by BC is 8 by 15. So let us assume now numerator AB equal to 8 and BC denominator equal to 15 units. AB equal to 8, BC down equal to down. So we have here AB 8 and here BC 15. We don't know SC, so we have to find by using, when we don't know the third side, Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. SC is the hypotenuse, the two arms of 90 degree are BC and BA. This, which is not the arm, is the hypotenuse. So SC square will be the simplest equation of Pythagoras theorem. The other two are AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. Or you can also write BC square plus AB square also. So let's just write it here. AC square remove means root will come. AB is here. AB, as you can see here, 8. So 8 square plus BC is here. BC 15 square. That's quite simple. Root over 8 8s are 64. 15 into 15 is 225. Okay. Root over. So when 225 plus 64, then we're going to get 9 289. Then 17 into 17 you try. You will get this one, so it will come out as single 17. So SC is now 17, BC 15, AB 8 units. All are known now, so we can answer the question. Find sine A and sec A. So sine is first one. Our answer for sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is this one, BC. My hypotenuse is here, AC. So BC is here. As you can see, BC 15. Here also 15. See, 15 divided by SC. SC just now here 17. We cannot cancel, so that's our answer. Right, and then sec A. So let's write here sec A. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So H is SC by adjacent here A, AB. So that is SC is, as you can see, 17 by AB here. AB is 8 units, as you can see here also. Can't cancel, so that's our answer. 15 by 17, 17 by 8. Okay.